Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Partybox 100 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working. Maybe it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Or you can just check the link in the description for a replacement speaker. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason you want to delete all of the settings and pairing history and everything off of this speaker so you can set it up just like as though it were a brand new speaker coming out of the box. This will do it, and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is first of all make sure your speaker is on. Go ahead and turn it on, and then once we do that, we're just going to find this volume up button and the play button right here. They're right next to each other. We're just going to press and hold both of those for at least 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds the speaker will turn off, and then it will automatically reboot into its factory default settings, and you can set it up as a new speaker.